Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and I got a new toy to play with today. Nothing really exciting except for it's a new parachute tarp from D.A.S or D.A.S, whatever you want to call it. I'll put links in the description box below, but I never used one of these before. Wiltshire Bushcraft Club use them. They keep them up all the time and they always say they're really good. So I decided to give it a go. Also, I'll put links to their group as well. They're really a bunch of great guys, and you know, if you go down there, they'll teach you a lot of good stuff about bushcraft. So check them out on Facebook. I'll put links for that as well. But I'm gonna set this up for the first time. It's a 9x13 parachute tarp, and it was 25 pounds. So let me get it set up now, and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, so as you can see, it's set up now, and it is quite thick on these seams. Really, really nice. I like that. I'll try to get a measurement on it, and especially where the grommet area is, you can see that. I'll try to focus, but my camera doesn't like focusing. So as you can see here, it's quite thick, reinforced, double way, good strong grommet on it. Goes up, and that reinforced edge goes all the way across to the other side and down, and then it has two more bits in the middle there. It has 4 grommets per side and then 2 in the middle. So on the ends you have 3 on this side, and then you have going across there. So plenty of grommets. But for 25 pounds for a 9x13 tarp, that's pretty good, I think. I never dealt with the company before, so it's the first time doing it, but like I said, the Wiltshire Bushcraft Club use it, so I'm gonna take a chance on it. So we are taking a little bit of water here, mainly because I don't have it slacked out all the way, as you can see there. It's just everything is just so wet at the moment. I'm gonna have to cook my spam under my tarp. Still plenty of room, not to burn anything. And it's really, really wet out. But as you can see, I should have tied it out a bit more. I didn't get the ideal spot really, because there wasn't that many trees. Try to get open area so I wouldn't get any deadfall on me. Ideally, what I should have done was put a round stone in there and then pegged it out. I would have had a bit more space. But just such a wet day. Very gloomy. Very pretty though. So what I might do is I might waterproof it anyway, just to make it 100% definitely waterproof. I've never used parachute before, so I might work on that. But I'm just going to try to cook this. Again, I had some of my fat rope stick for the win. Everything was just too wet, so I had to use that to get a fire going. But hey guys, well that was a really interesting day. I know the bag looked big, and I took a lot of stuff with me because I had to do some gear reviews and some stuff. I want to test out a few things, so that's mainly why I brought so much stuff with me. But I want to go out there and get some practice in, but also see if certain things worked out for me or not. One of the things I'm going to change is that waist belt that you saw me wear in the videos. I took off this one. By the way, these are all made by Ron Swanson from the Fox Workshop. I'm taking off that one and the ferro rod from Ron, only because I want some more space on there, because I want to carry my puka with me, because that's like the items that kept going back for my bag for, or my tarp. So that one I kept going back for. I keep my little folding saw in that one, and I forgot to bring my condor axe, so I'm going to add those 3 to my belt in a way that it won't interfere with the ruck being on me as well, and then when I take off the ruck, I'm still comfortable. This pouch here was really well for a possibilities pouch. It had a small fire kit in it, about 5-6 hanks of rope, and something else in there. A torch, my wind-up torch in there. So those items came in handy. This one here, the Condor knife. The knife itself opened up really well. Nice blade. I was just using that one to cut the rope and some other little notches here and there. That helped out well. Except for the inside, when you can't see it too well, it does scratch the inside up a little bit when you put it in because there's grooves on the knife itself. Let me just hit the focus bit. My camera struggles, sorry. Right, so you see those grooves there, and it's on the other side as well. So when you're putting it back in there, focus me now. Go. Right, so when you're putting it back in, it kind of like scratches the inside of the leather. Condor has a good warranty on it though, but if it gets really bad, I'll see if I can sort that out. Other than that, happy with my kit. I was able to walk quite a distance with it. I'm not going to run with it obviously, but basically the D.A.S or D.A.S, whatever it is, that tarp, it did work well. The middle was dry. It was just the ends, because I had to put it up so quickly that it was collecting water and water was dripping through. So that's kind of my fault. I think if it was nice and taut, that I wouldn't have had that issue. I'm going to waterproof it anyway, because I waterproof all my stuff, like tarps and stuff anyway. So I'll do that with it. I ended up using that hammock to put my stuff in there to keep everything off the ground. And I used a secondary like plastic ground sheet to sit on and cook off of that on the ground because it was just too wet. So that's why I go out though, test some stuff, see what works, what doesn't work. So that worked out well. Thanks guys for watching. Check me out on Facebook, Prepper in the Woods. Also links in the description box below for my other social media stuff. Thanks guys for watching and catch you next video. Bye.